I got hundreds in the bank, so I been really stacking up. I got arts inside my heart be really fucking up. Arts be steady down, so I'm not tripping back, no clicking up. Pull up with that, now little buddy dead, bitch, pick him up. I don't fuck with Biggie, bitch, on some like Park, I hit him up. Type of guns we shoot, make a nigga lay down and sit back up. I got stick with me.
Hey man, it's your boy Ceoqwrld. Today we're gonna be doing a vlog, and as you seen by the thumbnail and the title, we are going to a meet. It's with Fast Life Nick, SRT Lee, and DJ Cheeto, all them hoes. So we're gonna pop out undercover, and we're gonna lick some. This man over here is spazzing. Bro needs his butt ate.
What?
If you watch this video and you went, comment I win and drop a like and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you when we get done cleaning his room. Chat. Guys, I'm really a chef, bro. Look at this. Beautiful eggs, bro. Beautiful. Beautiful. And we got Keon over here making it.
Alright, y'all boys, first flip. I'm not gonna get it right. First flip.
Hey,
well, nigga, that's how they cook some over. That was a pretty.
look like a jellyfish.
Ain't no, that was hard that he good kept. But this is good too.
Nah, these eggs look fucking amazing, bro. We waiting on our ride. I got that fit on, and it's so fly. I got that shit on. Yeah, we got Keon right there. We watching Quan. I'm tweaking.
I got hundreds in the bank, so I been really stacking up. I got arts inside my heart be really fucking up. Arts be steady down, so I'm not tripping back, don't clicking up. Pull up with that, now little buddy dead, bitch, pick him up. I don't fuck with Biggie, bitch, on some like Park, I hit him up. Type of guns we shoot, make a nigga lay down and sit back up. I got stick with me, bitch, I'll never lack and keep it tough. Spiffy work the blitz, pussy, you gon' die, you test your luck. Hit that. Boy, you better duck. I'm not trying about that gun, put that on me and I'm gon' buck. Try to run off with them rats and we gon' catch you, put you on the plate. KJ with me, he got hella sticks, he boost the murder rate. Gen 5, pussy play with me, bet he gon' end up on that fault 5. I gon' catch your body, then watch off this up on outside. Boy, you just a fan, you ain't got no fucking more time. Screw you a rat, pussy boy, that's how your dog died. Little from the tongue, she suck the dick, we don't got soul time. Real 30 in the spanking shit, just like a bow tie. We gon' kill a rat, then like a snake gon' catch a rat. Come through your block with 556, we hit look high up in it back. We just had span 2 got here, you know we had to double back. Hop out the car, yeah, with no bag, you know no fake get on your ass. Spark the R, we on they blocking, now they miss him. Mama, yeah, they crying, yeah, they sad, they wanna kiss him. Let me pop out the cut with 2 3s and they gon' rip him. On our block like 10D, you know we got them glizzes. Come through, we spinning. John hold the 50, man.
I don't even think they're real.
Nah, they are. Jay got a picture with him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
The white one?
Yeah. This Subaru. The Mark 5 Super. Holy shit.
That shit's horrible.
I told you, bro. That's probably
What's
what.
up, dude?
Yeah, it don't matter.
Oh, there go DJ Cheeto, too.
There go DJ Cheeto. That'd be hard as fuck. There go SR's right here. God damn. It be racing.
Bro, need to change the tires on this thing.
Where do all these people stay? I swear I do not see these people driving around.
Yeah, orange.
Oh, there goes Jay. There goes Jay.
Yeah, Jay right there.
Wait, nah, he was wearing all black in his picture. I'm trying to go see that track.
That shit crazy.
That shit clean as fuck. Shawty for real.
That shit's clean.
Oh, Ty. What up, bro? How you been, bro?
Straight, man. Just working. Alright, there you go. What you been up to?
No much, just chilling.
That though. Right, hey, just take a quick call.
Alright. I need to remember to take pictures on my phone too. Oh, thank you. You can hold this one. Oh no.
I'm gonna put yours on. He'll put mine. Just put yours. Come on. I got it. Come on.
Oh. How'd you do this?
You can't access my dude.
Hey, can you hold this real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, not my screen.
Yo, take come on over for me, man.
What the fuck? Yeah. Dalton. Can I get a picture?
Like on some regular shit, I think I'll do 14. 14 miles per gallon.
Trying to take a picture.
It's not bad.
You gonna pay mine then?
Yeah, I got
What the fuck is that?
I don't know if I can do it, man.
Bro, this is crazy, bro.
Yo, Z. You got me too?
I got you. I got that. I got that.
Yeah, y'all good. Y'all good.
Oh, they go Lynn. Oh, this is crazy. What the fuck?
Let me get that. Yeah, let me take that. Yeah, exactly.
Lynn. What's good, bro? Can I get a picture?
Yeah.
You trying to take a picture for me?
What up, bro? Yo,
Harris, what am I looking at?
Nick. There's candy over there.
I know I see.
Hey, can I get one with both?
Appreciate it. What's up, Cheeto? What's up, bro? Straight? Yes, sir. Can I get it? Oh, I don't even got nobody to take a picture. I get some. What's in the vlog? Appreciate you. That shit tough.
Hey, Sammy. I didn't expect the videos right. How do you come off not so? This dude, hey, this dude left me I didn't mean to. I didn't know.
Yeah, bro, you left him hanging.
Yeah,
like,
don't make me feel
then he walked out. He was like,
Damn.
Bro, cause I said
He's
breathe. He just went down slow motion.
Bro, I said breathe.
bro. All right, show me the pictures I got with baby girl Nick.
Nobody took a picture of my husband. I got you like several pictures of Nick with my husband.
I don't know how to take pictures, bro.
Dude, I was trying so hard not to like just shake, bro. I was shaking during the picture.
I'm saying, bro, I ain't know what making a blank on video.
Trying to walk around.
Hey, you want one now?
It was just me. I can't really like. Yeah, I got his bike set up.
his bike. I'm like, look at that charger, bro. What? Got it. I guess I'm gonna go. I ain't gonna lie, I wasn't this shit's still bony, bro. Oh, we can walk over here and talk.
And I was like, damn, sorry. Damn!
What?
Yeah, shit, the charger gun.
Oh.
What my good gun buddy?
Yeah, I got my vlog camera. Yeah, that shit hard.
Bro, you gotta record sideways.
Huh?
You gotta record sideways. YouTube.
He vlogging for Instagram Reels. Oh, there go a cat.
I don't care what nobody say. This bitch is Johnny.
That'd be a hard one.
If we're being honest,
I wanna like ask him if I can make his thumbnail, bro.
I want you to get you.
Scam.
Lazy.
We know.
Beautiful. Shit, that's awesome.
Holy fucking shit, bro.
Shit, what we waiting for?
Your shit still sounds better. I think his is a V8, right?
V6.
His is a V6? Oh shit. That bit hard as fuck, bro. That bit hard as fuck. I seen this shit on TikTok. I don't even use the light ticket thing.
Now it's not bad, though.
This shit hot as fuck. Feel it. Oh, no Diddy. Bro, I be seeing. That's your shit? It's a bit hard. I feel like I seen it riding around once.
I be in Charlotte.
The D-Wagon hard.
Ain't no way you walking on.
What happened?
He was gonna put his camera back, he just died.
The BBL? Bro, just left it. That fucking super clean as hell.
Bro, you got wind looking good.
You should park closer.
They gonna be sliding over here?
Where at?
Over there. Where everybody like fucking revving that shit. Let everybody listen to the pops.
There's just one nigga here.
Bro, this is hot as fuck.
Why is it so cold out here?
Price of 200 rats is crazy.
You get frostbite.
I gotta turn some heat on or something. Like freeze up. Yeah, bro.
Man, I wanted to see that Demon 170, bro. He trolling.
Bro, I'm about to get my police definitely never get me.
Nah. Well, I put on like 3 coatings.
Bro, I had such a bad
I am
photo,
so
bro.
pissed.
Fuck, I'm so bad.
You can just retake it. That's some weird shit.
He gonna pull back up. Hey, just take off, man.
Nah,
That
bro.
wasn't me.
Yeah, put the beanie on and like act like I'm a homie.
Put on your glasses.
I ain't never seen a modest stinger. Look at the BMW.
You're not gonna move it, are you?
Keon.
Yeah, I might move down there.
You better move it.
Keon, you getting in the trunk.
What if I just hang out the sun? Oh, damn, you stay.
Do it again.
Do it. You won't about that good shit.
Well, they looking to you, want to go ahead.
Why Quan so far away?
That Mustang's getting after it.
Oh, is that Tavion? I think they're going Tavion.
These things blowing up, man.
Oh my good God, body.
Because he be talking so serious on the.
Oh shit.
It's a wide body scat.
There's another one. Hold on, I gotta
The glaze.
I'm not glazing, bro. I'm not even glazing.
You done made a whole Krispy Kreme fucking donut.
Bro went up to him and started recording.
He on God.
Get off his meat, bro. Hey, man. Get off his meat, man. Hey, man.
We got Punch Made Dev in the middle.
Yeah, punch me, Dev.
She ain't breathing, ain't making no noise.
Jumping up and down into the same way, bro.
That's never glazed.
Not glazed.
You like glaze another nigga? That's crazy.
No, bro. I'm not doing that.
Now look at
I
it.
ain't even coming for the car. I came to get something.
Yeah, I came in for the food, bro.
Yeah, you're like, fuck the car. That nigga drifting.
We got Shaggy over there.
Ask him, let you get next.
Yeah, get on that thing. Start recording for you.
I'll fall if that's my
Yeah, Nick will come over and be like, hey, who this?
My camera already.
Tell this nigga lying like.
Nah, she do it now, bro. She from the bottom up. From the bottom up. They started that. So lower fully to me. 10%, whatever that shit is. I got a whole lot of 400. Demon heads.
What's all this? This your E85?
Nah. This punk ass, bro. This punk ass, dude. I ain't gonna eat it. If I go whoop him, ain't no point. I'm whooping niggas ass right now. Ain't no point. Ain't no point in, I mean,
He cool as shit. He talking some shit.
Yeah. He got that shit going like, yeah, he got that shit.
there you go.
This is slow shit.
Hey, with an M5.
Where the fuck did he come from? Bro, this stuff clear than
Where is that?
Hump it.
Listen.
Hump it. Hump it.
You really think you're being an M5?
I don't know. It's too light. But in this track, though.
I was about to say.
Listen. That's not light. That's not light. But if it's one of them tracks, if y'all got one of them tracks, I'm whooping it. In this SUV, I'm whooping it.
on the M4.
You got an M4. It gotta win. It's an M4. It's a fucking car. But y'all ain't gonna bring them SUVs or that Jimmy 170 out this bitch. Y'all ain't gonna bring that out here. Where's that? No, we're gonna do it from a dig. Where is that? I put 10 on that.
You got all-wheel drive. I'm gonna get my all-wheel drive car.
All right, let's throw some track.
What you bring? No, you gotta bring the SUV. No. Y'all niggas not going back to where the fuck y'all from back there with that shit. No. Bring them track. You tracking now.
We bring the 2Gen. The who? The 2Gen.
We ain't doing that. How much that shit cost?
Don't worry about
If
it.
it ain't 100 better, we ain't ready.
I put 10K.
I got 100 better, we ain't ready.
10K.
I got 125 right here. If it don't cost more than that, we not racing, bro.
It's the truck. What's in that engine or motor, bro?
That shit is everything. Listen. This shit is 125,000, bro.
God damn.
I'm gonna tell you it is. 400 stronger. I got preventive measures too. I got to stage 2 interchill in there too, so we can race all day long. And this shit ain't gonna blow.
Okay, bet.
Your shit gonna blow.
All right.
This shit ain't gonna blow.
My M4 is gonna blow. Let's test
No, you
it.
keep talking about your fucking M4, man.
Let's test
Let's
it.
just fucking race the M4. Fuck it, let's go race the M4.
Oh, you really
Brought it? You brought it?
I didn't bring it.
Let's go race the M4. Where's that?
I'll take 10K right now.
Oh, man.
10K.
You got the M4 with you?
When I get it back.
No. You want to race Ghost, man? I'm talking about right now. What you got right now?
Nothing right now.
All right, man, we can't race. Cool. You talking about 10K, man? I put whatever you want to race on it. What you want to race on it? Where's that?
After the second.
No. Y'all is in the shop.
not even from
He
here.
only doing this
Trying
because
to build shit to beat this right here, right there.
I didn't even know this shit existed.
He got a legal pit going on.
You knew this shit. You ain't seen this video.
I seen the video.
All right, so you ain't. Don't lie to me.
right.
Don't lie out here. Don't lie out here. Don't lie out here. I can stand there straightening, but don't lie out here. You seen the video. Everybody seen the
I wanna race for
video.
10K.
Listen, look. Tell Cheeto put 10 on that.
No, I want
Do
to
it.
You got info. Race OKQ. He got an info. Whatever.
I got M4.
You got it.
You got the info. Now I want to race SUV. I ain't stupid. You know what I'm saying? Your shit lighter than mine. Your shit lighter than mine, bro. You gonna do it. But you ain't gonna get no track and put no paper in it and do me. What? Yeah.
I own this little shit.
Nah, you own shit. You own
my
shit.
shit.
He ain't got no MK. He ain't got no motherfucker.
I got an M4. I don't got an MK. I got an M4.
Hey, listen. I don't give a fuck about all that shit y'all talking, man. Y'all listen, you got a little ass car. This is an SUV, bro. Y'all ain't gonna bring no tracks out here, nigga. This my shit.
Wait till next
This
year.
my shit.
I'ma build my
I don't know where y'all from, but this my shit. Ain't no tracks coming out here and do nothing.
I got an M4 for you.
Yeah, you talking about an M4. Yeah, this my shit. Anybody with SUV, this my shit.
I think this is
Yeah. And I'm right now. We talking about right now. Right now. He talking about gonna test. We in North Carolina. You came to us. I don't know how to get the test. You out here. I don't know how to get the test.
I don't know how to get the test.
You came out here.
Why you not trying to do this?
You got an info. It's a car. I put 10 on something for him to race. So I got something for him to race for 10 though.
So you got something else in
I
this
got something that
ride?
he want to race.
What's that?
Whatever he want to race.
Whatever.
If he can race that track,
I wanna race I thought this was the fast shit, bro.
Oh, God.
I want to race the fast shit.
They got a little ass car and they can beat the shit. But they not bringing no SUVs in this fight. They're not bringing no SUVs. This different lanes. I understand that info. What's that? P170. Let's go. I ain't worrying about no motherfucking P170.
I got my other car. I wasn't going to do it to
What's
it.
your job? Where that shit at? Where that shit at?
Not the fucking Supra. The Mark 5.
See, you get some of these little ass cars, man. You get some of these little ass cars.
A car's a car.
That shit little as a bitch. No, a car's not a car. You put 10 bands on this car versus SUV.
I put 20 on this.
Exactly. I know you will, but when you put it on with a fucking track, or a fucking Durango? No. Yeah. I have your motherfucking money. I be buying fucking designer with your shit, boy.
Oh shit. That shit is slow as fuck. I raced you in a truck. What truck? I raced you in a 210.
Where is that?
Hold on. Come to Texas 2K. Texas 2K. Texas 2K.
I'm trying to race Nate now, right now, bro. I ain't trying to race no net.
See, he don't want to go to Texas 2K. That's what all the I got the keys.
I'm scared. Y'all came out here. Y'all
Just pull up with the keys, bro.
That's a little ass car.
I'm ready to go.
That's a little ass car. You need to race a bet or something, bro.
I got 30K right now.
That's a car. You wouldn't race that with no SUV. You wouldn't put no nothing K on no SUV versus my shit, bro. That's 6,000 pounds, bro. That shit 6,000 pounds, bro. That shit's fucking probably like 3,000 pounds, bro. You can't. That's not a race, bro. That is a race. And that shit probably E85. That's pump gas still, bro. I'm talking shit on pump gas. That's our company.
That's right now. You said, what do I got right now? I got something right now.
Yeah, but that's a little ass car. That's a little ass car.
Oh my God.
That's a little ass car.
It is a difference.
No.
It's a weight difference.
That's what I'm trying to say, bro. And listen, I ain't worried about no motherfucking racing, but listen, I do this shit for bro. Paper ain't shit, bro. I ain't tripping about that shit, but what I'm saying is, I'm not gonna get no paper away.
What did he just say?
With the car, 3,000 pounds, that shit 6,000 pounds, bro. If you get an SUV, bro, I'm gonna run you right now. I will run your 170, bro, right now, bro. You know that because that car is little, bro. That's what I'm telling you, bro. I'm talking about the weight.
He'll run his 170
that's what I'm
because the
saying.
car is heavy.
That's what I'm saying. The weight difference, bro. I ain't tripping, bro. I'm not dumb, bro. I've been doing this shit a long time, bro. I'm not dumb, bro. You talking about a little ass car.
His car built for a dick. Right. Your car not built for a dick. Your car built for a dick.
Man, that shit little. I will run you. I will run you, but I'm not gonna put no tape on that shit, bro.
And his
that shit
M4
little,
is
bro.
for a dick.
That shit little, bro. That shit little, bro.
It's M4 for a dick, but it's lighter.
Bro, it's light the shit.
I mean, that makes sense.
Bro, how much the car weigh, bro? I want to race super track cars. I got the fastest wide body. I ain't say nothing about no info. I ain't say nothing about what the fuck that is. I say I got the fastest wide body track car.
You stooped to his level.
He came to me. I ain't even see him out here. I was talking to bro. He came to me.
You go to the car category.
Ready though.
Yeah, you go to the car category.
Ready, bro.
What's up, right?
I'm not saying you because you know that shit is right, bro. That's the only reason you saying that, bro. Exactly. I ain't got the track. I got no car. You know that I crashed the bet already. I'm off that. I did that shit last summer. I did that shit last summer.
You supposed to pull it up in the second one like live. You supposed to pull it up in the second one.
You better know who you're talking to.
I know.
Yeah, you better know who you're talking to. I'm done. You don't want to race for real. You ain't even got it. You don't want to race for real. You better know who this. You better know you're talking. None of this shit fake. This shit straight from Dubai. Yeah, this shit straight from Dubai. Ain't none of that. And none of that fake corner store. This shit straight from Dubai. Yeah, I called him out. He don't even know English. I got to talk to him through Wesley. Yeah, we ain't doing that.
Get a TRS.
I want to race you. I want to race. I race you, bro. But I don't know. Because you know this shit.
That's his Christmas. Like, nah.
Everybody got their cameras out.
Get a TRS.
Well, look,
Do it.
Once you got
Yeah, I'm running.
best angle gonna cut. I don't give a fuck with the blades no more. Fuck the blades, nigga. God damn. What you gonna do to him, huh? What you gonna do to him, huh?
They cars got 71 features. They can't fuck me.
They can't fool with you, huh?
10 years in the picture, too. 10 years to the
Hear that shit, huh? Oh my god. I'm so fucking hype right now. Okay. I'm not stupid. They going this way.
Oh.
Yeah, nigga, I got best camera angles. I know where niggas going. They gonna come this way. Fuck, they gonna go up. They can't go back.
Where y'all go?
Nigga, I'm trying to get best angles.
I don't give no fuck.
I don't care about the glaze no more. Oh, I know you're not talking.
I'm dick right now.
I ain't go. I am too.
Wow. I heard that.
I never said that.
I'm not making no money.
Holy fucking shit, bro.
I ain't making no money.
This bitch high as fuck. I know y'all see this, bro.
Hey, y'all got Theo. What's the name? I ain't gonna lie. I ain't gonna
Yo, bro, I got you. I got you all day.
Yo, in the comments, bro, he all got, bro.
I low-key got
Dude in the blue, yeah, I'm saying he got something. He's too confident because Cheeto shit not light. He's mad confident. Cheeto shit not light.
That's like his personality.
I'm about to give him a 22. Say I won't. Say I won't.
What?
Give him a 22.
Give him a what?
Oh, they trying to race right here.
No, they not.
He literally just in the yard. He was just with him.
Bro, how the fuck they gonna race right here? They probably gonna back up back
Yeah.
there.
I got blue, bro. Oh, yeah.
Well, holy shit. Nah, this shit not like that. Come on. I got you. Hey, do something.
A bunch of loud pops. I'm trying to race.
Come on.
I'm trying to race them. I had to give a cameraman.
Go crazy, huh?
Go crazy, yo.
I got you.
Hey,
Let me get
I'm trying to race.
Leave him back there, huh?
Hey, let us get in the back.
I ain't trying to do nothing. I ain't think young nigga would switch.
He said he don't need no pause, he got a switch.
Cut her switch and turned around. Some white boy.
I'm saying he don't need no pause, he got a switch on. He ain't worried about that. He ain't worried about that. He ain't worried about no pause. Watch out.
Oh.
Hey, bro said tell Cheeto to wait.
Huh?
Nigga to go.
What do you say?
You said what?
He was telling me to tell Cheeto to wait. Like, you already doing it.
They said the owner's on dick.
Let me get a little rappy. Let me get a little rappy. This shit bouncing. Oh,
That bit hard.
hey, if they all want to know, we're going to have to move.
Hey, watch out, bro. He backing up. Oh. I was just making sure. You was checking. I wasn't trying to get it.
You good, you good.
That shit quiet.
Yeah.
Oh. I thought he was dead.
I get one wild about it in my boat, man. Your homeboys will leave me alone with this sushi, man. He flew out here. That man nigga flew out here.
I saw the nigga lingo.
He running real quick. Come back. I want to talk that shit. I want your homeboys to feel this shit too. You know what I'm saying? I want your homeboys to feel this shit. You ready to feel this shit? 50K on the line. I put my chain on the line. 50K? Put the chain on the line. I'll put the chain on the line. Let's go chain for chain. It ain't the same, bro. I fought with you, bro. He ain't gonna do that. Put the chains up. Right in front of the camera, bro. These BS right now. Put the diamond test down. Hey, listen, I ain't green. You heard me? You want to see the receipt? Man, I ain't trying to do what? Okay, you tighten up for that shit. Okay, Q ain't make this. Okay, Q ain't make this. Manhattan made this. We're in the middle of the mall. Yeah. Oh, we definitely. We ain't on the train. The people in the mall won't even make this. I'm gonna tell you what. It's 18 karat. 18 karat white gold. BBS ones, they won't even make it. They only gonna make me 10K. Yes. But they both hard, man. Yeah, I ain't taking that. All I know, my shit real. Everything on my body real, my car real, my lifestyle real too. Everything I do real. Hey, listen. I don't fake shit. Hey, listen.
Even do the credit repair.
Times, all of them. I can buy this 10 times. I can buy this 10 times. My cameraman at. All my whips. And we got a big TRX. And I got a big TRX on the way.
And you can repair it.
Tell him, Cheeto.
Title in hand. Hey, y'all gonna see the drop.
You can repair credit.
Title in hand. I'm gonna put it this way. I ain't gonna title in hand.
Repair his credit.
Niggas like that, bro, because I really know what's going on. Show the title. Ain't nobody out here fucking with me, bro. Ain't got the red. Straight up, bro. Yeah. Title in hand. We just niggas that have emotion.
Yes, they on y'all, gang.
We niggas that have emotion. Hey, and all this shit is legal. I can post this shit on Instagram and I ain't gotta worry about nothing, bro. I'm legal. You know, I got a business here. This shit legal. Me too. Hey, and if you need your credit fixed, come fuck with me.
Hell yeah.
If you need your credit fixed and you want one of these, come fuck with me. I get this shit for 700 plus. Real shit. Hey, and the next legal pit loaded. Don't worry. Hey, I just want to race. Don't worry. I just want to race. Next legal pit on the way. Race that shit. Next legal pit on the way.
Where Lynn at?
Race that shit. I just want to race something. Huh? I just want to see back Stradway. We're going to the big dogs, bro. We're going to big. Or we might do it here again. I'll race this bitch any day. I don't care who it goes against or whatever, what they want to say. If she lose, but she ain't scared.
Ain't scared of nothing.
She ain't lost yet.
It is hot as hell out here.
Huh? Oh! Hey, how much you sold it? Man, I ain't gonna do that. Hold on. Let me get you some cash real quick, bro.
Yo, it is hot as hell. I'm looking about to go get me some ice. Where the fuck is he going? It's just so quiet.
Even if they bullshit. Like, nigga, I even did a video cooking eggs on my supercharger on some bullshit. I'm thinking it's gonna go viral, but it didn't. Remember what I told you about well, who the fuck? No, I said that to somebody else. Somebody else came to me and asked for advice. I said, nigga, if you think of a crazy idea and you post it and don't do numbers, it's cool. Not every video goes down. Yeah, sure. You know what I'm saying? So just think of a whole bunch of shit and keep writing it down in your notes. Like, I had like 50
in the dealership right beside the cut. Like I was saying,
and I still have yet to do any of them.
And then the quality, like that shit is different. Like the motion of y'all videos, how y'all videos move, like spawning in, like everything. It's just the quality of the niggas, like what y'all do. I tell niggas, bro, y'all niggas not falling off. Cause like, bro, the shit you niggas doing, I'm gonna say it's next level, but it's just like, I mean, who the fuck? Who doing it? You feel me? Like all the crazy shit man do, like how his videos, how your videos is, like.
Yeah, one thing about Lenny, he got a crazy ass team.
OKQ said it too. He
his
like,
team
bro,
is crazy. Like I don't really
to Ali earlier.
like. like my friends is like my friends, and we don't really work together. We more so do shit together. Like they work together.
But him having a visual person,
I don't have no cameraman at all.
Shit, I'll be your cameraman.
And for you to be,
like that.
it don't work.
Niggas offer that all the time.
But he's already established himself as.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Like I get mad. Like I've tried to have cameramans, but I get mad seeing them because they'll be looking at me instead of the camera. Because when I record, when I be recording like this, I don't look up. Unless I'm sliding.
Yeah, because you gotta make sure it's like perfectly censored.
As I'm doing shit. I'm like, bro, what are you looking at? Like, what are you looking at? I would rather not
this nigga
mix
be
friends
at,
with business.
Like, say if you ain't a 0.5, and like he's looking at you, you
mad
might be getting his face.
I'll be mad as hell. It's been so many times I let niggas record my videos and I just look at the clip and I be like, bro.
And then they be talking in it?
They either over talk over me or like their angle is so
but at that point, at that point, you just be like, man, I don't even fuck it. Just trash it.
I know how I like my videos, so I'd rather just stay doing it by myself.
Facts. But like I said, though, him having a visual person that can cook up the way
he know what the fuck he's doing.
Right, like I was just telling him, he was like, that's different in it. Like the videos he do, I'm like, bro, y'all niggas be pulling up, like, you know, y'all don't necessarily have guns in y'all hand. The junk y'all do, and you be making it with the fire. It's like, nigga, that's next level shit.
Yeah, they be doing some. I bet. Y'all snatch your chain right now. I'll snatch your chain. Like, fuck that 13. After that, try to crash out.
And no, I got hundreds in the bank, so I been really stacking up. I got arts inside my arm.
They can't fuck me. They can't fuck with you, huh?